welcome to McMood! This is day 2 of our series, fixing my 300 bucks Mazda 6. Today we're gonna be working on the headliner. Let's see how it goes. I'm doing my online shopping at JOANN Fabric. Here we're gonna select headliner, specifically the color tan or beige. And you will have to select the amount of yards you may want this. Now for the adhesive, I'm going back to Advanced Auto Parts. I already tried this brand in the past and worked great, so I'm gonna use it again. Okay, we're closing day 2. I don't know if we can call this a success, but yeah, at least we do have a headliner back in place. So some thoughts I would like to share are: try not to do this alone, specifically when you want to put the headliner with the fabric and stick it with the adhesive. That part for me was the most difficult one. If you make some mistakes there, then some marks will appear and will be visible. But all in all, I don't think it was a super hard job to do, so I encourage everyone just to do it. Thanks for watching.